Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joshua Abe. I'm a Ghanaian photographer, but I'm based in the US in North Carolina, Greensboro. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you like this video. Today I'm going to take you through how I do my screen retouching. So this is a model I shot some few days ago. I've already released some few pictures on my Instagram handle, so you can check it out as well. So the first thing I do is I run an action, that is advanced frequency separation. Okay, so I usually leave the radius at 14. For far away shots I usually leave it around 5, 6, 7 thereabout. Yeah, but for close-up shots, when you have the face of the model, you would want to leave it at 14. Okay, 14 will maintain the textures and everything. Okay, so click OK. And then the first thing I do is I work on the low frequency layer, that is the copy. So in case I make a mistake, I can easily go back. So the first thing I do is I work with my mixer brush tool and then make sure this is turned off, and then make sure the weight is at 1. Okay, for me I leave my weight at 1. I don't know how you use it, but for me I use my I leave my weight at 1%, low 30%, mix 30%, flow 5%. So you can do that as well. So for now, let's make sure we're on the low frequency copy. Okay, so this is how we use it. You wouldn't want to be brushing through highlights to shadows or shadows to highlight. If you want to be in the highlight, if you want to brush in the highlight, make sure you just brush through the highlight. You don't want to mess up the shadows, and you want to brush through the shadows. You want to do that without messing up with the highlight. So the reason why we do this is to even up the colors within the image, the model's face. So you don't want to mess up with, or you don't want to pick up different colors, like brushing shadows into highlights or highlights into shadows. Okay, so this is what I do. I don't want to bore you, so I'm going to fast forward this so that you can see it at the end. Okay. So you can see the before and after. So what I'm going to do next is I work on the high frequency level, or the high frequency layer. So I use that to clear the pimples. So I pick the clone stamp tool and I select fine areas, and then I repaste them on the blemishes. So that's what I do. I'm going to fast forward it again. Okay, so this is our progress so far. You can see the before and after shortly. So this is the before and after. Hopefully in my next video I'm going to release a video on how I do my dodging and bending. So stay tuned to my next video as I release a video on how I do my dodging and bending. This particular one is not with dodging and bend. I didn't dodge and I didn't bend. I just cleared blemishes. So I'm going to release a video on touching and penny very soon. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So hopefully I'm going to be posting more videos from now onwards, and please kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button, so that in case I release a video, you'll be notified. So just subscribe to my channel, and the more people subscribe, that's gonna motivate me to release more videos of how I do my editing. So thank you so much for staying to the end. See you later in my next video. Bye.